after losing everything, this one strategy changed the way I trade forever. After almost blowing my account and losing everything, I realized the problem wasn't that it was the market, but just this one mistake I kept repeating over and over again. And today I'm gonna tell you guys what that solution is. So basically, or what that problem is. So basically, it's the higher time frame. That's the golden tip. The oh my God, what is it? What's the deal? How's he being profitable trading? Blah blah blah. XYZ. The daily time frame. The daily time frame is the biggest time frame in the market. Like literally, like how it goes is, well, how I look at the market is daily time frame, 4-hour time frame, 1-hour time frame, and 15-minute time frame to get like an entry, a sniper entry, right? But the golden rule is really the daily time frame always wins. The daily time frame is always the strongest. So if you're trading and let's say the smaller time frames are showing sells, but the daily time frame is showing bullish blue or green candles, that means that you go for the bullish green blue movement, if that makes sense. So basically the daily time frame always weighs more than the smaller time frames, and it took me a while to get used to this, but then I also saw that at 4 p.m. every day at 4 p.m. the next candle comes out for the next day. So for example, today is Wednesday, May 6th, 1:03 p.m. At 4 p.m., the Thursday candle will come out, and the Thursday candle will come out bullish or bearish, which is blue or red. And that will tell you which direction is heading for the next day, even though today is Wednesday. So that's a trick that you guys need to start visualizing and start looking at. And now this alone will help your trades direction, or help you find the trend of your trades. Trend trade way better. So basically, again, I'm gonna say it again so you guys can understand. Today at 4 p.m., the future candle for Thursday will come out, even though today is Wednesday. And that will give you the direction on which the market is going. So let's go to the chart real quick, do a quick breakdown for you guys so you guys can see it on the chart, and so you guys can see what I mean actually. All right, so this is very beginner friendly. So here's the ticker symbol for gold, XAU USD. This is what we're trading, gold compared to the US dollar. So this time frame, if you click right here, up here, see it says 1 day. You can choose your time frame from 15 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, or 1 day. So this is the 1 day. We click in the 1 day. So right now if you hover over it, right now it's Wednesday, May 26th. Tomorrow, if you go to the right a little bit, it will be Thursday, May 7th, 2026. So this candle that goes right here is going to come out at 4 p.m. today. So in 3 hours, it comes out, and it's going to tell you, it's going to say, hey, this candle is blue or this candle is red. If it's blue, that means that we're buying for tonight's session, tonight's New York and London session. If it turns red, that means we're selling for tonight's New York and London session. And to me, since this last candle was blue, I'm waiting for 4 p.m. so the next candle can come out blue, right? So all you have to do now too, when you see it like this, is break it down. So this is the daily time frame. If you go to the 4 hour, each one of these candles represents 4 hours. So you can see in the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 times 4, which is 44. In the last 44 hours, it's been going up, because these are the 4-hour candles, right? If you go to the 1 hour candle, it'll break it down some more, and you can tell what it looks like from what date. See, this is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So from Tuesday night to Wednesday, it shot all the way up, hence giving us this one daily candle. Hopefully you guys are following. This is a very good trick to learn when you're first starting out trading, when you're a beginner trader. This helped me out a lot. I didn't realize this until I was watching the markets, and I spent years and years of like watching the market, seeing what it's doing, when's it moving. I'm talking about like to the 15-minute, to the 1 hour, to the 4 hour, to the 1 day, just watching it, seeing what it's doing. So basically this candle right here is showing Wednesday, which is today, it's blue. Now the next candle, I predict that it'll come right here and it'll be blue as well. We have to wait. Normally, if you can see right here, when it's blue, it's blue. When it's red, it's red. I'm using also Ashi candles. They help you tell the trend a little more. So there's another tip for you guys, beginner traders. If you guys use Ashi candles, Hakinashi, those candles will help you understand the trend more, kind of. And this is what the regular candles look like, but some people can't understand these. So, and I got an indicator right here as well, but we'll talk about that in a more depth lesson later on. So now back to the Hakinashi candles. This is what the chart's looking like. So we're waiting until 4 p.m. to see what this chart looks like. It should be blue, and I'll make another video as well, explaining what I'm looking for when I do see that blue candle that's going to come out. I believe that's going to come out, boom, right here. But we're also waiting for the market. We're waiting for the blue candle to show. When the blue candle shows, it's an indication that it's going to be bullish. But we have to break down the market again to see when and what time should we go in for a trade. So with that being said, so yeah, that completes the breakdown for the market. It doesn't take that long. You could just be on the market for a couple of minutes, 15 minutes. You can look at different time frames, look at the daily time frame, see where it's going long term, then break it down to the 4 hour, then break it down to the 1 hour, then break it down to 15 minutes to get your entry. It doesn't have to be long. 15 minutes of checking the market, and then you can at least know your direction. Now it's just time to wait. And waiting is one of the hardest parts of trading too. Like, you have to be patient, you have to wait. But that's all we conclude for today. So hopefully one of those tips that I gave you guys helps you. Hopefully the breakdown is easy to just visualize and understand. And in a later time, we'll go over breaking down the charts more and numbers and indicators and all that good stuff. So I hope that this video helps out somebody out there trying to be profitable or trying to get their first breakthrough in trading in some kind of way. Maybe make some money, maybe pass a prop firm, maybe just understand the charts or something. And yeah, just make sure you guys subscribe, like and subscribe for your boy. And I'm gonna get on with the rest of my day, enjoy my day, and I'll keep the markets at mind. I'll keep the chart up, and I'll just wait for an entry now. So I love y'all, man. Appreciate you guys supporting. Appreciate you guys tapping back in. Appreciate you guys watching my last video. I took a big loss this last video, but it's all about the bounce back. So I love y'all, man. Peace.